welcome back to Everyday DI discussions by Clatprep. We'll start with today's DI. We'll start with today's caselet now. I hope the caselet is very visible and I'm audible. We'll start with the question directly. So in this question, it's given that Rahim is an employee and his expenditure, and the question talks about his expenditure and his savings, right? So whenever there's expenditure and savings, we know that there would be categories, different categories. Obviously, he'll spend money on several things. So there would be different categories. So what we'll do is we'll start solving the question directly with table by forming the table, and then with the table when we have the comprehended data in the table, we'll come to the questions. Okay, so let's start making the table now. So that because we know that there are different categories and it will be easier for us to make the table if we scan the question and just note down what all categories he has in general. Whatever is left, we can always add at the end. Okay. So just by scanning the question, we can see here house rent, we can see grocery, we can see school fee of the kids, we can see housemaid, we can see younger brother college fee. Then there we can see petrol and we can see gym. Okay, so how many categories? We have 7 categories. So let's just note it down. Let's make a table and we'll start. Let's just note down all the categories first. Grocery, housemaid, school fee, college, then we have gym, and we have petrol. Done. ठीक है, ये हमारी categories हो गई. Let's come to the question so that now to fill up these categories. Okay. He spends 3 times on house rent and what he spends on grocery in that month. Grocery, if he spends X, then on house rent, he spends 3X. Easy. Now, half of his salary goes on these 2 items. Half कितना हो गया? अगर half of his salary is good, 3X plus X, 4X. 4X is half of his salary. So total salary is 8X. We have his total salary. Now, he spends a total of 25K on the school fee of his kids and house. ये housemaid plus school fee मिला के कितना हो गया? 25K. Now, he also gives 10,000 to his younger brother. 10K for his college fee. It's already given, so we don't have to apply our brains. We just have to note down, which is twice the amount he gives to housemaid. So 10K is twice the amount he gives to housemaid. So housemaid को कितना हो गया? 5K. Easy. Now expenditure on petrol is 5K. Okay. And the expenditure on petrol is equal to 1/3 of the expenditure on grocery. 5K is 1/3 of grocery. तो grocery का कितना हो गया? 15K. अगर grocery 15K है तो house rent कितना हो गया? 45K. ठीक है. X 15 है. Total salary क्या थी? 8X. Total salary कितनी हो गई? 15 into 8. 15K into 8. This is equal to 120K, which is 1,20,000. ठीक है, टोटल सैलरी भी आ गई हमारे पास उसकी. अब क्या बच गया? He also goes to the gym for which he pays half of what he pays to housemaid. Housemaid को कितना दे रहे हैं? 5K. जिम का कितना हो गया? हाफ. ये हो गया 2.5K. ठीक है. ये स्कूल फी कितना हो गया? 25 minus 5, 20K. Sorted. Our table is ready. ठीक है. टोटल इनकम भी आ गई, टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर भी आ गया. अब हम एक बार टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर देख लेते हैं कि कितना है. So by adding all of these, we can see that total expenditure is 45 plus 15, 60 plus 5, 65 plus 20, 85, 85 plus 10, 95, 95 plus 5, 1 lakh plus 2.5K. कितना हो गया? 102.5K. ये हमारा इनकम है. ठीक है, ये हमारा एक्सपेंडिचर है. हमारा सेविंग्स कितना हो गया? इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंडिचर. सेविंग्स कितना हो गया? 17.5 के, ये तीनों चीजें will help us आगे in the question, so we have to be very careful of these three. ठीक है, let's move ahead to the questions now. Okay, question number 1. Give me a sec. जो हमारा टैबुलर फॉर्मेट वाला डेटा है उसके साथ हम छेड़ेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि दैट्स द डेटा वी आर गोइंग टू यूज इन द क्वेश्चंस अहेड. नाउ in January, his younger brother earned some money through a part of his college, so now he only takes 4K. ठीक है, पहले ब्रदर के पास कितना जा रहा था? 10K. 10K से कितना हो गया? 4K. इसकी कितना बच गया इसके पास? 6K. इजी. 6K एक्स्ट्रा बच गया. ठीक है, इन दैट मंथ. नाउ व्हाट इज द सेविंग्स? पहले रहीम की सेविंग्स कितनी थी? 17.5K. हमने पहले निकाल लिया. गुड जॉब. 17.5K तो पहले ही थी. 6K और बच गया. कितना हो गया? 23.5K. ठीक है, easy. We have to come back to the questions easily and quick. Okay, moving to the next question. 1 second. Yeah. So, which of the following set contributes to maximum expenditure? Maximum expenditure, individual expenditures we have for all. We're just going to add and see कि कितना कितना किसका है, and then whichever is the maximum, we're just going to know that this is our answer. Okay. So, grocery 15K, housemaid 5, 20, 15 plus 5, 20. Petrol 5, ये कितना हो गया? 25K. Gym is 2.5. School fee is 20. Grocery is 15. 35 plus 2.5, 37.5K. Petrol is 5K. Gym is 2.5. Housemaid 5K. ये कितना हो गया? 5 plus 5 plus 2.5, 12.5K. Now, school fee 20K, petrol 5K, and grocery 15. 20 plus 5 plus 15, 40K. तक किसका मैक्सिमम है? 40K. Done. Question to be done. Let's move to the next one. Yeah. If the expenditure in December was the same for each month of the year, and he has to pay. Okay, so now whenever there are multiple things given in a question, we'll always move with the question. कि पहले जो दिया हुआ है, we'll solve that first and then we'll move ahead. ठीक है, क्योंकि एक साथ करते हैं तो it gets very confusing. So it's better कि let's just move one by one. Expenditure is same for each month of the year. ठीक है, तो पूरे साल का एक्सपेंडिचर कितना हो जाएगा? एक्सपेंडिचर एक मंथ का कितना है? 102.5K. पूरे साल का कितना हो जाएगा? 102.5 into 12. ये कितना हो गया? 1. This is 1230. Okay, this is the expenditure for 12 months. ठीक है, ये आ गया 12 months का एक्सपेंडिचर. 12 months की इनकम क्या आई? इनकम एक महीने की थी है into 12. This is equal to 1440. ये आ गई इनकम. इनकम पे 10% टैक्स लगता है. टैक्स कितना हो गया? 1440,000. ठीक है, अब इनकम में से टैक्स माइनस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तभी हमको लगेगा कि हमारे पास पैसे एक्चुअली कितने आए, बिकॉज टैक्स तो एनीवे कटेगा ही. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास कितने पैसे बचे? 1,440,444 माइनस 1,444,000. ठीक है, लेट्स जस्ट सॉल्व दिस. ये 13,9,2,1,1,296,000. This is the final amount we have with ourselves after deducting the tax. ठीक है, अब ये हमारी एनुअल इनकम हो गई आफ्टर द टैक्स वी हैव दिस। इसमें से हमारा एक्सपेंडिचर जो है हियर दिस वन we'll have to माइनस, तभी हमारी सेविंग्स आएंगी। तो एक्सपेंडिचर कितना था 1230, सेविंग्स कितनी हो गई 6600, फाइनल सेविंग्स कितनी आई 6600 फॉर 12 मंथ्स, राइट। अब इसमें क्या बोला है, एवरेज अमाउंट ईच मंथ 6600 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 विच इज इक्वल टू 5500। ठीक है, ठीक है, इजी। 66,000 हमारी इनकम, हमारी सेविंग्स आई फॉर 1 मंथ, वी हैव टू डू इट फॉर 12 मंथ। 66,000 was our for 12 months, now we have to find for each month, तो 66,000 by 12 5500, we got our answer। Okay, let's move to the next question। While doing all the calculations, you need to be very very careful because this is too much of calculation, and then you get, if you get in even one of these things wrong, आपका पूरा question गलत हो जाएगा। तो be very very careful while solving these। Okay, yeah, moving ahead। All his savings he made in the year he deposited in bank on 1st January this at simple interest this। If he withdraws money at this, what is the total amount as interest? ठीक है, SI का फॉर्मूला PRT upon 100। अब he deposited his savings, his savings were 17.5K which is equal to 175,000, right। ठीक है, he at 20, तो ये क्या हो गया 175,000 into 25 into 1 upon 100, right। 175, sorry 175,000, because here it's a point, so K 1 2 3, okay, yeah, 175 into 25 into 1, हमको सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट निकालना है, ठीक है, ओनली इंटरेस्ट। ये गया 175 into 25, you will have to solve, when you solve this you will get 4375, which is your answer। Once you get your answer in the question, you don't have to think twice, we have to solve all of these caselets in less than 5 minutes or around 5 minutes, and definitely not more than 5 minutes। Any of the question is definitely not more than 5 minutes, not the question, I meant the caselet। So basically you have to do 4 questions or 5 questions in 5 minutes, and like 10 or 12 questions collectively in 10 or 12 minutes, so you only have a minute for a question। So without wasting any time, always remember to move ahead, if you have your answer just go ahead, don't think twice। Okay, coming to the last question। Rahim's one friend, also same position, gets a salary equal to Rahim। सैलरी क्या थी रहीम की 120, ये है हमारे पास, ठीक है। शाम की सैलरी भी कितनी थी 120। Sham has no kids and no younger brother like Rahim, but sends 15K to his parents each month। Okay, all other expenses are same। तो here in the table अगर हम शाम की बात करें तो ये 45 ही रहेगा, ये 15 ही रहेगा, हाउसमेड का 5K ही रहेगा, स्कूल फी नहीं है, कॉलेज फी नहीं है, ठीक है, कॉलेज फी भी नहीं है, जिम 2.5 रहेगा, पेट्रोल 5K रहेगा, बट देयर इज वन मोर कैटेगरी हियर and he spends 15K on that। ठीक है, he spends 15K on that, he sends to his parents। ठीक है, इसका टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर कितना हो गया 45 plus 15 60, 60 plus 5 65, 65 plus 5 70, 75 70 85 87.5, एक्सपेंडिचर कितना हो गया 87.5K. ठीक है, easy to understood. Now in December, what person more or less शाम saves? इनकम कितनी है 120, एक्सपेंडिचर कितना है इतना, सेविंग्स कितनी हो गई 120 माइनस 87.5 कितनी हो गई 32.5K. ठीक है, 32.5K हो गई उसकी सेविंग्स. राइट एवरीबडी हियर ओके. ठीक है, अब उसकी मोर और लेस सेव्स, उसकी सेविंग्स कितनी है 32.5. रहीम की सेविंग कितनी थी 17.5K. कितने का डिफरेंस आया दोनों में 15K. इसने रहीम से कितना ज्यादा सेव किया 15K. तो 32.5 माइनस 17.5 अपॉन 17.5 इंटू 100%. ठीक है, यू सॉल्व दिस इज 15K upon 17.5K. When you solve this, you'll get this as your answer. Okay, easy. ठीक है, we'll solve this with 25. So 25 7 25 6 0 0. ठीक है, 150 0. 600 by 7. Okay, you have to solve 600 by 7. So 607 is equal to this. ठीक है, now with this, by solving this case slide, we have understood that we have learned two things today, that whenever there's a expenditure and savings and income ka question, there are going to be categories, and to be very well versed and to do the questions quickly, we need to sort out the categories first and put them in a tabular format to make the question easier. जैसे ही हमने tabular format में डाल दिया, हमने उसको categorize कर लिया, we don't have anything anymore left, क्योंकि हमारी टेबल कंप्लीट हो गई. अब we don't have to go back to the question to fill up it again and again. Okay. Secondly, whenever you get any answer to the question, move ahead with it. Don't come to it again. Don't think about it twice. ठीक है? I hope this was useful. See you another time. Thank you.